Hello, this is Bill down at Karl Malone Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Heber City. We're here in our new facility. I'm going to take you around and show you our service area and also our new showroom. Follow me. Here we are at our service drive where our customers are going to be able to pull in and check in right inside here with our service riders. They've all got our counters and computers here. We'll be able to get all our information from your vehicle and then we'll be able to pull it into the shop here, and I'm going to take you back and show you that. Here we are in our new service facility. We've more than tripled the number of bays in order to service our customers. We have our certified trained technicians. This is where they're going to come to work now. This is exciting, and now I'm going to show you our showroom. Follow me. Here we are in our showroom, standing at our reception desk. We have our sales desk and then of course our sales professional area here. We still have the great view of Timpanogos. Please come and see us here at Karl Malone August 2nd and 3rd for our open house. We're so excited to have this facility and be able to better serve you. Thank you.
Owned at Karl Malone Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, home of the pure country price.